Yo, what is up guys? In this guide, I'm going to be showing you how working codes actually work here in Roblox Steal a Brainrot and the only legit way to get them. Now, if you head into the shop here in Steal a Brainrot, let me get loaded in real quick. You'll notice in the shop, if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, there is a redeem code section or a DLC code section. These are going to be the exact same thing. If you try entering in a random code, you'll see something like DLC code not found. That's because all codes in this game are DLC based, not public promo codes. That essentially means right now the only way to get a working code here in Steal a Brainrot is by purchasing official merchandise. Now you can actually get official merchandise here in Roblox Steal a Brainrot pretty easily. You just have to back out of the game, open up a web browser of your choice, and type in playsab.com, and this is going to be where the official merchandise is. From here, you can buy the Festive 6-7 plush, which is a real-world item, and once you do purchase it, the developers are going to email you a DLC code after the order is processed. There's no physical code cards, everything is emailed. And yes, it does cost real money, about 30 USD, but that is the trade-off for getting a permanent, exclusive in-game item. Once you have received your code through your email, what you're going to want to do is back out and go back into Steal a Brainrot. And once you do get into Steal a Brainrot, go ahead and go into the shop, scroll down, type in your code here, and after redeeming, the item will instantly appear in your base. For example, the Festive 6-7 generates 67 million per second, which is insanely strong compared to most items in the game. Just keep in mind, there's no free public codes, there's no admin giveaways, there's no secret commands, and there's no code generator websites. But yeah, that is the full truth on how you can go ahead and get codes here in Steal a Brainrot. If you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.